Did you know that the cost of replacing an iPhone 15 screen can run you nearly $300, which is practically a third of the price of the phone itself? It's a terrifying thought, but that's exactly why finding the perfect glass shield is the smartest investment you'll make this year. Today, we are diving deep into the ultimate battle of the best iPhone 15 screen protectors to see which one actually earns the right to guard your tech. We're looking at everything from budget-friendly multi-packs to military-grade tanks that can survive a 12-foot drop. Which one of these do you think will come out on top? Stick around because the winner might actually surprise you. All the links are in the description below. 8. Ailun 3-pack tempered glass. The Ailun 3-pack tempered glass screen protector is what I like to call the budget king of the accessory world because it provides a massive amount of value for a very low price. If you're the type of person who tends to go through screen protectors quickly, maybe you're a student or you have a busy household, this is the quintessential safety net for your iPhone 15 or even the new iPhone 16. It uses a 9H hardness tempered glass that is precision cut to ensure your dynamic island remains fully functional without any weird sensor interference. With a slim 0.33mm profile and a solid oleophobic coating to keep those annoying fingerprint smudges at bay, it performs admirably for daily use. While it might not have the military-grade marketing of the more expensive brands, it's fantastic at absorbing scratches from keys and coins in your pocket. Compared to something like the Spigen Glass Dot TR, you're getting 3 protectors instead of 2 for about half the price, which is an unbeatable value proposition. The build quality features those nice 2.5D rounded edges, so it doesn't feel sharp when you're swiping, and it includes an alignment frame to help you get it on straight. 7. Unbreakable 3-pack. Moving up to number 7, we have the Unbreakable 3-pack, which is a significant step up in terms of pure structural integrity. This isn't just standard glass, it's aerospace-grade 9H plus tempered glass that has been reinforced to be twice as strong as your average protector. If you're a bit clumsy or work in an environment where your phone might take a tumble, this one is rated to survive 6-foot drops onto hard surfaces. What I love about this one is the plasma oleophobic coating. It actually mimics the naked feel of the original iPhone screen, so you don't lose that premium touch experience. It's ultra-thin at 0.01 inches, ensuring that Face ID and touch sensitivity stay lightning fast. In real-life scenarios, the 99.99% HD transparency means your Super Retina XDR display stays vibrant and sharp. When you compare this to the Spigen Glass Dot TR EZ Fit, the Unbreakable really shines by offering 3 protectors at a better price point while matching that high-end durability. The Auto-Align technology is a custom-molded frame that lets you get a bubble-free install in literally under 10 seconds. I'd highly recommend this for busy professionals or parents who need a set-it-and-forget-it shield. It's a high-performing essential that balances sophisticated tech with long-term security. Have you ever had a screen protector save your phone from a major drop? 6. EZ-GLAZ 4-pack and camera protectors. If you want total fortress-level protection for every single piece of glass on your phone, the EZ-GLAZ 4-pack is the comprehensive suite you've been looking for. Not only do you get 4 screen protectors, but they also throw in 2 dedicated camera lens protectors to make sure your photography stays crisp and scratch-free. This kit boasts a massive 12-foot military-grade shatterproof rating, thanks to a multi-layered ion exchange process that makes the glass 4 times stronger than the basic stuff. In practice, this means it can handle some serious abuse. The 9H+. Hardness is top tier, and the Flawless Fit kit makes installation take less than a minute. Comparing this to Spigen again, EZ-GLAZ is the clear winner on volume. You're getting double the screen protection plus the camera covers that Spigen usually sells separately. The camera protectors even use AR anti-reflection technology, so your night shots still look amazing even with the flash on. I think this is the best pick for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone prone to frequent drops who wants a huge supply of backups ready to go. 5. UltraGlass Unbreak. Top 9H+. Now we're moving into the heavy hitters with the UltraGlass Unbreak Top 9H+. This is a flagship tier accessory designed for those who put their phones through absolute hell. We're talking about a 12-foot military-grade drop rating and a unique 9H+ hardness achieved through double tempering. One of the most unique features here is the 3D curved black edge. Instead of just a flat piece of glass, this offers 1-to-1 full coverage that makes the protector virtually invisible once it's on your phone. It has a clarity rating of 0.93, which is actually the highest in its class, preserving your iPhone's native color accuracy perfectly. In real-world testing, its edge strength is rated at 150 newtons, which is nearly double the industry average, effectively ending that annoying edge chipping that usually leads to the whole screen cracking. The installation frame is revolutionary too. It's an auto-dusting system that vacuums away stray particles while you apply the glass. 4. Nuke 3-Pack Enhanced Protection. The Nuke 3-Pack is another fantastic high-durability option that bridges the gap between the iPhone 15 and the newer iPhone 16. Its main goal is to be a sacrificial layer that can take high-velocity impacts so your actual screen doesn't have to. It uses 9H hardness tempered glass that is basically immune to scratches from your everyday pocket items. With a 0.33mm ultra-thin profile, you won't even notice a lag in touch accuracy or Face ID. What makes this one stand out is the 99.9% transparency, ensuring your Super Retina display looks exactly as Apple intended. It feels premium too, with 2.5D rounded edges that make swiping from the bottom of the screen feel smooth and natural. The included Easy Installation tool is a custom frame that snaps right onto your phone to ensure a perfect center on your first try. Comparing this to the Spigen Glass.tr, the new C-Pack is a much better value, giving you 3 high-quality protectors for less money while maintaining the same level of hardness. While it doesn't have the fancy auto-dusting tech of the UltraGlass, the high-density silicone adhesive does a great job of pushing out bubbles with just one press. This is my top recommendation for families with multiple devices or budget-conscious users who want a reliable safety net. How many times a year do you usually have to replace your screen protector? 3. TOCOL Military-Grade Shatterproof. At number 3, we have the TOCOL Military-Grade Shatterproof Protector, which is all about high-end tech at a mid-range price. This one uses triple ion exchange technology to reach a hardness level that actually exceeds the standard 9H rating. One of the coolest things about the TOCOL is the 1-to-1 full-screen coverage with 3D curved black edges. It blends so perfectly with the iPhone 15's bezels that you'll forget it's even there. It also features a unique blue light filtering layer to help reduce eye strain during those late-night scrolling sessions, without messing up your screen's colors. The build quality is incredibly robust, offering 75% more edge strength than budget models to prevent chipping. The installation process is another highlight. It uses a press and pull mechanism that clears dust and bubbles at the same time. Compared to the Spigen Easy Fit, TOCOL offers better value with similar protection levels and a more sophisticated dust removal tray. 2. QHOHQ 3-Pack Plus. Camera protectors. The runner-up is the QHOHQ 3-Pack, and this is the ultimate all-in-one defense system. If you want 360-degree protection for your iPhone 15, this is it. You get 3 screen protectors and 3 camera lens protectors, all reinforced at 800 degrees Celsius to resist deep scratches and impact explosions. The screen glass is ultra-thin at 0.33 millimeters, but the real star here is the camera protection. It uses AR seamless fusion technology, so your photos stay crystal clear. And it even features a night shot circle to prevent that annoying flash glare you get with cheap lens covers. In real-life use, the oleophobic plasma coating is fantastic at repelling sweat and oils, keeping your dynamic Ailun looking sharp all day long. Compared to Spigen, QHOHQ is an absolute steal. You're getting a 3+3 bundle for a fraction of the cost. While Spigen might have a slightly more polished brand name, QHOHQ's alignment frame makes it just as easy for anyone to get a bubble-free result. I highly recommend this for photography lovers who are worried about scratching those big iPhone 15 lenses. Do you think camera lens protectors are a must-have, or do you trust your phone case to protect them? 1. iPhone 15 Tempered Glass 2-Pack. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the classic iPhone 15 Tempered Glass 2-Pack. Sometimes, the best solution is the one that does the basics perfectly without any unnecessary fluff. This is a vital defensive accessory designed specifically to preserve that gorgeous Super Retina XDR display. It features the industry-standard 9H hardness, making it virtually immune to the keys, coins, and grit that live in your pockets. The 0.33mm profile ensures that you don't lose any of that satisfying touch sensitivity that makes the iPhone feel so fast. What makes this our top pick is the combination of quality and price. It offers nearly identical protection and clarity to the Spigen Glass.tr EZ Fit, but at a significantly lower cost. The auto alignment frame removes all the guesswork, positioning the glass perfectly over the dynamic island every time. It's case-friendly, leaving just a tiny gap around the edge so it won't peel up when you put on a protective bumper. For households with multiple devices, or anyone who just wants high-level security without the big brand tax, this is the gold standard. Selecting the right screen protector is the best way to ensure your iPhone 15 stays in pristine condition for trade-in or just for your own enjoyment. Whether you want the total coverage of the QHOHQ or the extreme durability of the UltraGlass, you really can't go wrong with any of these top picks. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which one you're picking up for your phone. All the links are in the description below, so go ahead and grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.